BMW India has opened bookings for the much-awaited BMW M340i xDrive from today. The sports sedan will be available in limited units. The pre-launch bookings are exclusively being accepted at BMW online shop for ₹1 lakh. Additionally, the first 40 M340i customers will be offered a specially curated driver training at an iconic racetrack in India. This enables an opportunity for customers to master the racing line skills with the help of BMW certified trainers. Owners will be able to extract the maximum performance of their M340i and tame their machines. Speaking about the sports sedan itself, the M340i xDrive features a muscular design with sleek-looking headlamps with integrated DRLs, the brand's distinctive kidney grille, aggressive bumpers at both ends, a rear spoiler, and 18-inch alloy wheels, among others. Moving to the interiors of the M340i, it features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.25-inch infotainment system. The sedan also features wireless charging for smartphone, a heads-up display, a 16-speaker Harman Kardon premium audio system, voice assistant, gesture control, multi-zone climate control, and more. However, the M340i xDrive is known for its driving dynamics. Starting with its performance, the sedan is powered by an inline 6-cylinder twin-turbo 3-liter engine. It produces a maximum of 385 brake horsepower at 5,800 rpm and a peak torque of 500 Nm between 1,850 rpm and 5,000 rpm. The engine comes mated to an 8-speed Steptronic transmission with power sent to all wheels. The M340i features a host of driving assistance. This includes dynamic stability control with ABS and dynamic traction control, cornering brake control, dynamic brake control, performance control, dry braking function, fading compensation, start-off assistant, and M Sport differential, among others. Engineered by BMW M, the car delivers a concentrated distillation of the three's sporting essence. Together, the high engine performance, M-specific chassis tuning, BMW xDrive all-wheel drive, and the M Sport rear differential provide for an outstanding driving experience. It also comes with a host of safety features including airbags for the driver and front passenger, side airbags for the driver and front passenger, head airbags, front and rear, 3-point inertia reel seat belts for all seats, front seats with belt stopper, belt latch tensioner and belt force limiter, crash active front head restraints, crash sensors, and tire pressure indicator. To enhance the sporty appearance, customers can personalize their car with specially curated BMW M Performance accessory packages. This includes the Enthusiast Pack, the Racers Pack, and the Motorsport Pack. The BMW M340i xDrive is one of the sportiest sedans that will go on sale in the Indian market. Along with the sporty characteristics of the sedan, it is also packed with a host of features and luxury elements, offering a premium look and feel to it. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share, and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.